Hello, new tutorial. I am going to show you how to install Vectr on Ubuntu 16.04. Okay, open terminal and copy the first command. Please wait until it finishes to download. And now let's unzip Vectr. And cannot find the file directory. We must be on the same directory. CD. Is zip.1. Okay. And CD Vectr. This is to see if we have access to execute. So for Vectr there is X for execute, so we can. Okay, let's install this now. Give your password. Please wait until it finishes. And now we can execute Vectr. Get started. You can see the video. It is a lesson in about 3 minutes. And this is the Vectr. So this is how to install Vectr on Ubuntu 16.04. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. Goodbye.